I am standing in a 3-bed, 3-bath twin home with 2,751 square foot, and it's in a prime east side location, brand new construction. This is gorgeous. If you've been following me in my open house journeys, I've done some open houses over at 501 North Wildcat. It's an identical floor plan, although this one has the entire home finished. So we're gonna just take a quick tour here a second and just show you how beautiful that this home is. It's got 10-foot ceilings, and in the primary bedroom, bathroom, and closet space, it's a dream. So let's take a look here. Standing in kind of the middle of the open concept living, kitchen, and dining room space. So I love that front door, that big, tall glass window, big, tall. It has a southern, kind of a southern feel to it. Gorgeous kitchen with quartz countertops. I love the backsplash. It's just a kind of muted, weathered subway tile. It's done very nicely. I love it. It really pairs well with the white cabinet. We've got a pantry closet with the shelf and outlets. That's very handy to have. You can go out of the home. Again, that back door is a tall, I would say it's an 8-foot door. The ceilings are 10 foot, so it brings you out into a covered space. I'm just gonna cut right to the chase and we're gonna go take a look at the primary suite here. This is a split. We've got one bedroom right as you enter into the home, and then this is the primary suite. Bedroom, fantastic size. You can fit a king size bed in here, large nightstands, and also some other pieces of furniture if you would like. We've got a trade ceiling with some recessed lighting. Come into the bathroom here. We've got a separate water closet to hide the toilet. I love this shower. I love the glass that goes from ceiling to floor. It's a zero entry shower as well. Very tastefully designed, where they put the faucet to turn on the shower right before you enter it, so you don't have to get wet and cold before the water warms up. Got a double sink with black finishes. Then we come into this space here. This primary walk-in closet is every bit as big as a bedroom. You could go shopping for days and have plenty of space to hang your clothes. Then it has a direct tie-in to the laundry facility as well. So you've got a pocket door that you can close and lock off. But again, quick access to the main floor laundry. This door here will take you out to the 2-stall garage. And then we kind of come out right here by the entry. On this side here, we've got the second bedroom upstairs. Again, another really good sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. Then we'll take a peek here at this bathroom. Again, we've just got a full bath with a tub, got a quartz countertop. So I'm here at this 513 North Wildcat Drive from 11:30 to 12:30 today. Stop out and take a look. I also have a list of all the open houses that we have going on in the Sioux Falls area for every brokerage. You can stop and get that list as well. Love to see you. Come take a tour. This one is listed at $540. The unfinished basement one over at 501 North Wildcat is listed for $479.9. So you can get that basement finished for less than $60,000. Stop out. Love to see ya.